Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Did you know that over 20 million people speaking Bisaya in the Philippines? No? And today I'm starting my journey to learn this beautiful language. Stick around because I will share funny moment and challenge. I'm on the way. Let's go! Yeah, quick disclaimer before we start the video. I'm not a native Bisaya speaker, I'm just starting to learn. If I make any mistake, please let me know in the comments. This video is all about sharing my progress and having fun while learning. Let's go! First, let's learn how to say how are you in Bisaya. Kumusta, kumusta, kumusta. Nice, let's move to thank you. Salamat, salamat, salamat. Awesome, now let's learn about please. Palihog, palihog. Palihog. Your turn. Palihog. Yeah, let me know in the comment if my pronunciation is good. Let's make this fun. I'm gonna try to pronouncing some Bisaya word and you will tell me if I'm doing what. Ready? So first, delicious. Lami. Lami. I love this word. Lami. Lami kayo. Was it right? Let me know. So next, it's excited. Giggle, 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 giggle. Did I pronounce it well? Now let's try with I don't know. Ambot, ambot, ambot long. Did I say it right? Oh my god. Now it's your turn. Give me some word in the comments and I will try to pronounce it for the next video. It will be funny. So now let's try to a mini roleplay. Let's put a mini roleplay. Like let's practice a real life scenario. Imagine I'm in a market in Cebu and I want to buy some food. Here is how the conversation will go. Let me know if I do some mistake. So I'm here like mayong buntag, inside mong order, palihog, pilani, 50 pesos. Salamat, lami kahayo. How was that? Did I sound local? Let me know. Did you know that Bisaya speakers are known for their festival and delicious food? For example, the Sinulog festival in Cebu is one of the most colorful and lively festivals in the Philippines. And when it comes to food, Bisaya cuisine is famous for dishes like lechon, roast pig, and kinalo, ceviche. Lami kayo. So if you are planning to visit Bisaya-speaking region, this phrase will definitely come in handy. Alright guys, that's it for today's lessons. Let's recap what we have learned. Kumusta, kumusta, how are you? Kumusta, kumusta. Salamat, salamat, thank you, salamat. Palihog, 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 palihog. Please, palihog. Lami, lami, lami. Delicious. Giggle, giggle, giggle. Excited. Giggle, giggle. Ambot, 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 ambot. I don't know. Ambot, ambot. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Oh, for the next video, you can tell me in comments word or phrase you want I learn with you. Salamat kayo for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hayo, hayo. Bye.